तो आज हम सर्कल को जियो बोर्ड की हेल्प के साथ देखेंगे, इससे सर्कल को और इसके पार्ट्स को। देखो फ्रेंड्स, कैन यू सी दिस इज सेंटर ऑफ अ सर्कल। अगर मैं सर्कल के सेंटर से एक लाइन सेगमेंट ड्रॉ करूं, व्हाट इज लाइन सेगमेंट? अ शॉर्ट पार्ट ऑफ अ लाइन। लाइन के हिस्से को, छोटे पार्ट को हम क्या बोलते हैं? लाइन सेगमेंट। तो अगर मैं सेंटर से एक लाइन सेगमेंट ड्रॉ करूं तो दिस इज अ लेंथ and this length is called radius. If I change the position of this line segment, it will be same. Again I am changing the position, it is again same. So what we learn from it? As we are saying, the line drawn through the center of a circle on the exterior point or on the circumference of a circle is called radius, and we can draw so many radius from the center of circle and the length will be same. Similarly, if I will draw another line from the circumference of a circle and join with the other point on the circumference of circle, we got a chord. This is called chord. If I change the position of this line segment, this is again a chord, this is again a chord, this is again a chord. Now can you see this line segment is passing through the center of a circle? So now the name of this chord has been changed. The name of this chord is diameter. So what is diameter? A line segment passing through the center of a circle is called diameter of a circle. Next, if I draw a radius from the center of a circle, this is called first radius, and similarly I am going to draw second radius, okay, and this is an arc. सर्कमफ्रेंस के अगर पॉइंट्स को ज्वाइन करके मैं ये लाइन ड्रॉ कर रही हूँ, ये कर्व ड्रॉ कर रही हूँ, इसे हम आर्क बोलते हैं, ओके। और अगर मैं इन दो रेडियस और इस आर्क को ज्वाइन करूँ, कैन यू सी वी गॉट अ न्यू फिगर, वी गॉट अ न्यू एरिया, एंड दिस एरिया इज कॉल्ड सेक्टर। और ये छोटा पार्ट है, इसलिए हम इस स्मॉलर पार्ट को क्या बोलते हैं? माइनर सेक्टर, ओके। सिमिलरली इफ आई चेंज द पोजिशन ऑफ दिस आर्क, ओके, I am changing the position of the arc, but radius is same. Again, this is we got another area with two radius and one arc. This is again a sector. This is a bigger part, so it's called major sector. So what we have studied? This is minor sector between two radius and arc, and this is major sector between two radius and arc. Okay. Next, move on. Next part of a circle. Now, if I draw a chord. As we study, this is a chord and we draw an arc. So we got a new figure, and this figure is called, this area is called segment. And as you can see, this is a smaller part, so this is a minor segment. And I am changing the position of the arc again. The chord can be passed through the center of a circle or cannot be passed through the center of a circle. One more thing, if a chord is passing through the center of a circle, it's called diameter as we have studied. But उस diameter को हम ऐसे भी बोल सकते हैं, the longest chord of a circle is, yes, diameter. The longest chord of a circle is called diameter of a circle. Now move on. This is a chord, this is an arc, and this is major part. So this is called major segment. What we have studied is the area between a chord and an arc is called segment, okay. So friends, what we have studied today, I hope you are understanding what we want to share. We have studied today circumference of a circle, radius of circle, diameter of circle, chord, major segment, minor sector and major sector. I hope you all enjoy this video and you will learn more. Happy learning.